The immortal jellyfish defies nature by resetting its cells to a youthful state, a real-life Benjamin Button of the ocean. This tiny creature, known scientifically as Duratopsis dornii, has the astonishing ability to reverse its life cycle, transforming back to its juvenile form when faced with stress or injury. Scientists are captivated by its potential keys to biological immortality, offering a glimpse into a future where aging could be a thing of the past. Imagine a world where we could tap into this jellyfish's secret, potentially unlocking revolutionary breakthroughs in regenerative medicine. As this jellyfish perpetually renews itself, it challenges our very understanding of life and longevity, sparking endless possibilities and deeper questions about the nature of aging and what it means to live forever.